Detailed summary of Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion, Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion, by Robert B. Cialdini is a seminal work that delves into the science behind the psychology of persuasion and explores the factors that lead people to say yes to various requests and offers. Through his research, Cialdini identifies 6 fundamental principles of influence that are deeply ingrained in human behavior and are effectively used by marketers, advertisers, and individuals to persuade others. 1. Reciprocity. This principle revolves around the concept that people feel obligated to return favors or acts of kindness. Cialdini explains how individuals can harness the power of reciprocity by initiating a cycle of giving and receiving, thereby fostering positive relationships and cooperation. 2. Commitment and consistency. People have a natural inclination to remain consistent with their past actions and commitments. Cialdini delves into how individuals can leverage this principle by gaining small commitments initially and gradually building up to larger ones, thus influencing behavior over time. 3. Social proof. The social proof principle highlights that people tend to follow the actions of others, particularly in uncertain situations. Cialdini discusses the impact of social proof on decision-making and explores how individuals can use it to shape opinions and actions within social circles. 4. Liking. Likability plays a significant role in persuasion. Cialdini examines how people are more likely to comply with requests from those they like and perceive as similar to themselves. He explores the factors that contribute to likability and the implications for building persuasive relationships. 5. Authority. The authority principle emphasizes that individuals are more likely to obey figures of authority. Cialdini investigates the cues and symbols of authority that can lead to compliance and respect, shedding light on how authority influences behavior. 6. Scarcity. Scarcity suggests that people value things more when they are scarce or perceived as limited. Cialdini explains how the fear of missing out drives individuals to make swift decisions and how scarcity can be effectively employed to influence choices. Throughout the book, Cialdini illustrates each principle with real-world examples, case studies, and scientific experiments that highlight their effectiveness. He also cautions against the potential misuse of these principles for manipulative purposes and encourages responsible and ethical use.